This brand is made in America by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, and the furnaces are sold in the USA through a factory-authorized dealer network. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The furnaces use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition, but their warranty is not as good as other brands and does not include a furnace replacement guarantee in case of heat exchanger failure. The RGF19-E models are basic 95% AFUE efficient gas furnaces with a fixed speed blower motor, while the RGF29-E is a premium 2-stage furnace with a 2-speed inducer and a fixed speed blower motor. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.